So after adding this, what we'll do is we'll trim the this circle, that is the dedendum circle, right? We'll keep only this portion and the solid lines also, and we need to close this particular contour to cut it through the blank. So I made a circle and I made it exactly cordial to the outer diameter of the blank, and then I'm trimming the extra sides, the extra edges, and we get the final area which will cut through. So I went to extrude cut. I'll do a through all cut and I'll click OK. So we get this cut portion with two involutes on two sides. We'll add fillet to the roots of the gear teeth. So I set this to 0.01 inch and select this edge and this edge. Click OK. And now we are going to pattern in a circular manner this cut extrude one and the fillet. So what feature you want to select? These are the features. From here you can select, or from the drop down there, I'll select cut, extrude and fillet. These two are selected. And the direction, I have selected this face or any circular edge you can select. Right. You can see the preview, right? You can turn on full preview, click OK, and you get this gear model. Finally, we'll add a shaft uh, to this gear. So what we can do is we can draw a circle. So okay, I selected this face. Instead of selecting this face, I'll draw the circle at the mid plane, which is the front plane. So I'll select front plane and start a sketch. Okay. Um, Let me give the diameter of the shaft as 0.75 inches. And then I'll go to features, extruded boss. The direction is mid plane, and the extrusion length, I'm giving it as 3 inches. All right. Click OK. So you get a shaft. So this is also called as gear shaft. And then I'll add a fillet to these edges. So set this as 0.1 inch on this side and on the other side as well. Click OK, and you're done with the gear model. So to enable real view graphics, if it is not enabled, go to toolbars and click on view. If you click on view, you can see on the top there will be a computer symbol. You can turn on enable real view graphics. We can also add appearance to this. So we can go to appearance from here. I'll select steel. Under metal, we have steel, and I selected polished steel here. So you can double click on polished steel. So the whole